First reading, Proverbs chapter 3 verse 27 to 34. Refuse no kindness to those who have a right to it. If it is in your power to perform it, do not say to your neighbor, "Go away. Come another time. I will give it you tomorrow." If you can do it now, do not plot harm against your neighbor who is living unsuspecting beside you. Do not pick a groundless quarrel with anyone who has done you no harm. Do not envy the man of violence. Never model your conduct on his, for the willful wrongdoer is abhorrent to Yahweh, who confides only in the honest. Yahweh's curse lies on the house of the wicked, but he blesses the home of the upright. He mocks those who mock, but accords his favor to the humble. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 15 verse 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 5. Whoever lives blamelessly, who acts uprightly, who speaks the truth from the heart, who keeps the tongue under control, who does not wrong a comrade, who casts no discredit on a neighbor, who looks with scorn on the vile, but honors those who fear Yahweh, who stands by an oath at any cost, who asks no interest on loans, who takes no bribe to harm the innocent. No one who so acts can ever be shaken. Gospel, Luke chapter 8 verse 16 to 18. No one lights a lamp to cover it with a bowl or to put it under a bed. No, it is put on a lampstand so that people may see the light when they come in, for nothing is hidden but it will be made clear, nothing secret but it will be made known and brought to light. So take care how you listen. Anyone who has, will be given more. Anyone who has not, will be deprived even of what he thinks he has.